Hello and welcome to Bunnex Investment Group. Today we are going to talk about a simple system and yet very important. If you take everything that I will tell you, I guarantee you the exact results that you are looking for in Forex trading. Before we jump into the whole video, be sure to check out our free signals Telegram channel. The link is right in the description below. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell icon. Let's just have a quick rundown of our running trades in our VIP Signals Telegram channel. So our first trade that is currently running is GBP against USD, which is basically a safety trade. We had a peak here, then an impulse, a pullback. At this point, we actually used our entry confirmations. Then we are currently running at approximately 110 pips. Then we have USD against ZAR. We had a US session W of the mile. This one, it was actually a very beautiful setup. I actually advised my VIP members to take this trade with double the risk, because this is actually one of the most accurate setup, and we are currently running at plus 100 pips. Then another trade that we are currently holding is gold. It was a safety trade. After peak, we were issued a safety, a beautiful safety, which had 1, 2, 3 hits to the high, and at this point, that is where we made our entry. We are currently at 200 pips on this trade. So basically that is what is happening on the VIP Signals channel. You can actually join the free Signals channel and benefit from the signals that I share. So back to our story, we are going to talk about trading on a sure mindset, because the mindset is what is where everything that you do is brewed. So like Gandhi, what you think you become, and everything that you are is a product of your mindset, and your trading results are by no exceptional. The following system needs you to cultivate your mind for success and compose yourself. You must program yourself that trading is just like any other business that must have principles in its operations. So before we get to the point, trading on a sure mindset is actually a necessary tool. So here is the 100% Forex system. Have you ever wondered how banks and hedge funds makes money year in and year out while trading the same markets as you? You have the same resources, except that these guys have access to large volumes of capital. So here is their secret. The first thing that you need is a good strategy. Then after having a good strategy, without all these following things is nothing. So a good strategy is complemented by risk to reward ratio. Some call it reward to risk ratio. Then is also complemented by risk management, then plus emotional control. If these 4 items are combined together, I guarantee you forever profits. So let's explain these a little bit more. Risk management. In my VIP channel, I advise all clients to risk not more than 5% per trade. This is so because most traders have a small capital that will not give them a substantial amount when they trade at 1% risk. I know online it's flooded with theories that says only risk 1% per trade. Imagine that you have a $100 account. How are you going to risk $1 from that account? And let's be honest, those are the capital amounts that most people have within this industry. So that is why I advise to risk not more than 5%. So the first part of the Holy Grail system is the risk management. Choose the right risk management you are comfortable with and write it down as your statutory instrument. It should be a law to you within your business of trading. That is why I actually referred to it as a statutory instrument. So the first thing right now, if you've been trading without this, you need to write down a document that summons you to trade with this statutory instrument of risk management. The second thing to this system, or this holy grail forex trading system, is the risk to reward ratio. And as I said earlier on, that some other prefer to call it the reward to risk ratio. In my VIP channel, I always strive to fight 2:1 or 3:1. However, I advise 2:1 since it is the most achievable one. This is the golden principle why professionals always win in this business. So if you want to be in the 1% bracket, make sure to take this seriously. Here is why. We are going to just have a quick rundown of 10 trades. Each trade will be written here. This is the trade number. Did we win and did we lose? So we'll be recording. In this system, we are using 5% as our risk, then 10% is our reward. So whenever we win, we earn 10%, and whenever we lose, we earn 5%. This using the trading only the safety trades. It means we are going to hit approximately 60, 70 up to 90% depending on the market conditions. So using my strategy of 70%, which is taking only the safety trades, we are going to hit 10%, approximately 7 trades, since we said it's 70%. So far, this is what we'll be having. Then after a run of 10 trades, we are going to have 7 correct and 3 wrong. However, the order of these occurrence will not be like this. Maybe you will have 3 losses first, or you will have 7 correct, then have 3 losses later. So the order of occurrence is random. But in the long run, we would want to reach at least 70% within the system. So since we were using 2:1, our wins were going to sum up to 70%, and our losses were going to sum up to 15%. Then removing the loss from the net pips, we're going to actually be left with 55%. Even if you have a $100 account, can you imagine that you've been risking $5 per trade and getting $10 per trade? So this means you were going to be left with $55 after a run of these 10 trades. So $55 of 100 will be 55%. That is the power of risk management incorporated with reward to risk ratio. So imagine as the numbers grow, it means your lot size will be also growing with the compounding power. So if someone had $100,000, we were going to be talking about 55,000. If someone had $1 million, we're definitely going to be talking about $550,000. So as the number grows, your lot size also grows. So the above risk to reward ratio is achieved by 70% accuracy rate. I achieved this by using my market maker method strategies. So to be always in profit, have number 1, a good strategy. And I can teach you one in a form of 1:1 on Zoom for only $500, and have a good risk management. As I said earlier on, that I advise 5% per trade. That is only if you have a good strategy, because some strategies are very bad. Some trades at 45% accuracy. 45% accuracy, risking 5% per trade is a little bit risky. So I only advise using 5% per trade only if you have a good strategy. Then the risk to reward ratio of at least 2:1. Yes, you can go for 3:1, the better, but I advise at least 2:1 because it is the most one that is easy to achieve. Then emotional control. All this will be nothing if you cannot control your emotions. So you need to meditate. If you can meditate, read investing scripts, journals, and also watch a lot of success from other traders. Mix yourself with the successful people so that you at least have a good balance of your emotions. So basically, this is the 100% trading system. If you do all these with proper follow-up, you are definitely going to make it in Forex. Try it, and if you fail doing exactly what I've told you, come and sue me. So in conclusion, follow your plan without deviation or hesitation to act. On that note, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out our free signals Telegram channel. This is the link, and it is also in the description box. And then follow us on Instagram so that you see our trades, and probably you actually make flashcards from them. Thank you for watching.